On the Healthline Nevis News and Reviews Roundup, brought to you courtesy of the Health Promotion Unit in association with Evelyn's Drugstore. Hello, I'm Sheila and welcome to another edition of On the Healthline News, Reviews and Updates. In today's edition, we review the past 8 days in news from Nevis. We'll be right back after this short break.
Reduce your risk of being infected with the new coronavirus COVID-19 by frequently washing hands with soap and clean running water, or use a hand rub with 62 to 95% ethyl alcohol. When coughing and sneezing, cover mouth and nose with flexed elbow or tissue. Throw tissue away immediately and wash hands. Avoid close contact with anyone that has fever and cough. Keep your workplaces clean and hygienic. Example, surfaces should be wiped with disinfectant regularly. Advise those who are sick to stay home. Stay updated by following the Health Promotion Unit on Facebook and Instagram, or contact us at 469-8010.
Welcome back. The Ministry of Health in Nevis has taken on a proactive role in educating as many persons as possible in the plight of the COVID-19. Health educators from the Health Promotion Unit have been instrumental in issuing information, guidance on proper hand washing techniques, and have been visible at all primary, high and preschools. We have more on this report. We're here at the Ivor Walters Primary School with Headmistress Miss Whitaker Richards, and today our health educators from the Health Promotion Unit continue their journey into educating young people about the coronavirus. So, Miss Whitaker Richards, thank you for allowing us into your schools to speak to your young people. Can you give us some comments about what you think about the education process for the coronavirus?
I'm really delighted that the Education Department has been partnering with the Health Promotion Unit in speaking to the schools, educating us about the effects of coronavirus should it get here. We're hoping that it does not get here, but you're doing a good job in that. To be forewarned is to be forearmed, and so we really appreciate this gesture of you coming to educate the school. So we want to wish you all in your best in your endeavors as you go to all the schools and let us know, especially those of us who are dealing with children, because I think probably we are most at risk. Children get these things very easily, and so if we as teachers could safeguard ourselves, then that would mean a whole lot to us. So thank you for coming.
Thank you for your positive messages. I'm Sheila, reporting for On the Healthline News, Reviews and Updates. Dr. Martin, paediatrician and former Chief Medical Officer for the Federation of St Kitts and Nevis, accepted an invitation by the Ministry of Health to give a presentation entitled COVID-19 and St Kitts and Nevis, Learning from Yesterday for Today and Tomorrow. Dr. Martin shared with a packed room of health practitioners a view from his previous experiences and how much of the past measures can in some way provide much needed assistance in the island's preparedness of the coronavirus should it arrive to our shores. He spoke of the mission and the 6 pillars. We join Dr. Martin with more on this report.
And so my expectations of this presentation, according to the PS, is that she wants me to share some of the experiences and lessons learned, to identify areas for strengthening, and in so doing to determine what are the must-dos in Nevis, and also to obtain some feedback from you, because feedback is important for performance improvement. The bottom line is this: I could stop at this slide. You know, without adequate healthcare capacity, without protective measures, you know, you're going to have a tsunami. And so I want you to remember these pillars of a strong healthcare system as promulgated by the WHO. Think about these 6 things. If you have a strong healthcare system, these 6 pillars are strong: leadership and governance, finance, culture of quality, adequacy of personnel, the inventories of medical products and technologies, and your information systems.
In a continued effort from the Ministry of Health in addressing topics of COVID-19, A symposium open to the general public took place at NEPAC on Wednesday, the 11th of March 2020, led by Dr. Judy Nisbet, Medical Officer for Nevis, with support from Deputy Medical Officer Dr. Retna Warwin-Brown, technical support from Mr. Mikhail Manners, Operational Manager for the Vance Amery International Airport, Mr. Anthony Webb for Port Health, Mr. Brian Dyer, Director of Disaster Management Nevis, and Mrs. Nadine Carty-Keynes, Coordinator for the Health Promotion Unit. The symposium covered the history, transmission, symptoms, prevention, diagnosis and treatment, the current global situation, preparedness and response measures at the borders, medical response and communication strategy. We now join Dr. Nisbet at the opening of the symposium.
And also to hear from our partners who are working along with us in this preparation and readiness exercise for COVID-19. We also think it's important to hear from you, the general public, to understand what you would like to know, to take your questions and your ideas. So thank you for coming, and we hope that today, with these 3 sessions, would be productive. Thank you.
For full details of the symposium live, check the YouTube page Nevis. After the break, Junior Minister of Health Honourable Hazel Brandy-Williams addresses Nevis COVID-19 and Health Promotion Unit launches new COVID-19 Facebook page. We'll have more on this and other stories after this short break. Can you ride one of these? Then you might want to take part in this. The National Weight Loss Programme, in association with SKM Moves, the Nevis chapter, is hosting its second event, the Bike Relay, on Sunday, the 22nd of March 2020. Registration now open. Come and sign up at the Health Promotion Unit upstairs office in the Ricardo Keynes building. $20 EC registration fee. Deadline registration 17th of March 2020. Full details will be given on day of registration. For further information, contact Sheila James on 469-8010 or 469-5521 extension 6393. It's gonna be a fabulous bike relay. Welcome back. On Friday, the 13th of March 2020, Honourable Hazel Brandy-Williams, Junior Minister for Health and Gender Affairs, gave a television address to Nevis regarding preparations put in place for the coronavirus COVID-19 threat.
Continuous sensitization and training for health workers in infection prevention, control and management of patients. We have invested in the procurement of essential medical supplies and equipment, such as ventilators and personal protective equipment. Our health facilities are making the necessary preparations to quarantine, isolate, treat, and manage cases. We are in contact with our international partners, such as CARFA and PAHO, who have provided training and will conduct assessment of our facilities shortly.
Junior Minister expounded on the initiatives which have already been undertaken.
Heightened port health surveillance and border control. Interagency collaboration with NASPA, Customs and Immigration. Screening of all incoming passengers at the Vance W. Amery International Airport by a port-assigned nurse. And increase risk awareness via radio, print, TV and social media platforms.
Junior Minister of Health and Gender Affairs, Honourable Hazel Brandy-Williams, in a recent address to the residents of Nevis on COVID-19 threat. And finally, the Health Promotion Unit launched its new COVID-19 Facebook page on Monday, the 16th of March. We have more on this developing story from Ms. Chevenay Nisbet, Senior Health Educator from the Health Promotion Unit.
As part of our risk communication strategy for COVID-19, we have created a Facebook page specially dedicated to COVID-19. It's called Nevis COVID-19 Updates, and we're encouraging Facebook users and others to go to that page, and you'll see recent updates on COVID-19 information. This would include videos, little pieces from our public health officials who will be giving like media releases. Also, we'll be posting other stuff from different public health agencies around the world, whether it be CDC, WHO, PAHO, or CAFA, as well. So we just want everyone to get your information from reliable sources, and these reliable sources would include those that I just listed, as well as the Nevis Health Promotion Facebook page, where we have always been updating the public on things such as this, as well as other events and public health related issues that we have been having over the years. So our new Facebook page would be the Nevis COVID-19 updates, where you can get all your information about COVID-19, updated and reliable information about COVID-19 on that page, as well as you can also refer to the Nevis HPU Facebook page for information on COVID-19.
For reputable information regarding COVID-19, please check the following pages: the Pan American Health Organization, PAHO, World Health Organization, WHO, Center for Disease Control, CDC, Caribbean Public Health Agency, CAFA, and our two Facebook pages, Nevis Health Promotion page and Nevis COVID-19, for updates. And that concludes this week's edition of On the Healthline News, Reviews and Updates. Until the next time, take care, be safe, be positive. On the Healthline Nevis News and Reviews Roundup, brought to you courtesy of the Health Promotion Unit in association with Evelyn's Drugstore.